Is he alive?
What? So dead.
How you know? He might transform now. He gotta be transforming now. Back to a human now. Are you a human? Why are we poking him? I bet he's a human. Only not showing. Dude, turn back.
Turn back.
I think he's alive. Come on.
Come on.
Gotta go. I thought he was back. At least I put a button that sends him back on the stick. Beep. This button on my pocket will turn you back to a person. Beep. Beep, 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 beep. It's not working. Get out of here. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. To the top again. Over here. Wrong way. He's a human, gotta be. He's gotta be a human. No zombie's supposed to come over here.
What?
Back? Good, let's go.
Mom, Buster, I just turned into a zombie.
Yeah?
Stop it.
Well, look like we have to go to the Deadly Hollows later.
Well,
Just
he
later.
my age. Description.